We're going to perform some automated accessibility testing on the Acme contact form, and we'll see what results we get, and then we'll use a screen reader and a keyboard to navigate the same page, and we'll see how the experience is for the end user. So I'm going to right click, I'll go to inspect and have a number of tools. Let's try ArcToolkit and we'll press run tests. And it quickly says Arc was unable to find any issues during its scan. So far so good. Let's go to Axe DevTools and we'll select full page scan. And Axe DevTools says you have 0 automatic issues. So we should expect a good experience for the end user given that we have 0 issues flagged by our automated tools. Let's turn on a screen reader and navigate with keyboard so we can check. So I have JAWS screen reader now turned on, and I'm going to navigate with the tab key to jump back and forth to the interactive elements, and I'll use the down arrow to read the static content. So I'm going to shift tab.
Contact us -Acme. Visited link graphics 7564 HHQ-desktop logo.jpg. To activate, press enter.
So the logo link in the top left was focused and announced as what sounded like a file name. It certainly wasn't understandable. It just had numbers and it said something like desktop logo. So if you're a screen reader user, you won't know what it is. I'm going to use the down arrow now to navigate through the page content, starting from the header.
Main region, article, heading level 1 Acme is here to help.
So that's good. It read the text.
Proudly keeping the world moving since 1956.
Same here.
Please include the additional copy I emailed on Friday, then delete this. Thanks. Jim from Marketing Grader.
So then I hear some text by someone called Jim from Marketing apparently, and visually it's not on the page. It is something unexpected. A screen reader user can pick this up unexpectedly. On the left hand side now we have a number of bullet points. The user should be able to read them with the down arrow. Let's press the down arrow.
Group start quote indicates required fields, star.
And instead the entire list was skipped. So if you're a screen reader user, you cannot get any of this information on the left hand side. Now I want to use the tab key to go to the form fields and see how they announce. So I'm going to shift tab to go back to the logo link.
7000.
And I'm going to tab to go to first name.
This field is required. Main region. Quote indicates required fields group. Credit card number edit.
Now that has announced a lot of information, but the most important I would say here is that it announced as a credit card field, whereas visually you would see it's a first name field. So the screen reader user again gets incomplete information, in fact incorrect information, so they'll enter the field input incorrectly. So let's tab.
This field is required.
Last name focuses. Let's tab again.
This field is required.
Now we jumped from last name to company name. We've skipped job title, company email and phone number. If I shift tab
this field
and tab,
this field is,
I can't actually reach them. They're skipped entirely. Let's keep tabbing.
This field is required.
And then we skip a number of other fields and controls. Service required, country, and where did you hear about Acme?
This field is required.
And lastly, let's go to the send button.
This automation ID-45 button.
And instead of announcing as a send button, it announced as automation ID 45. So this is just a small example of how there can be blocking issues for assistive technology users which are not flagged by automation but can prevent a user from reading and interacting on a page.